Have you been thinking about ordering from Murray and Hayes Melbourne but aren't sure if it's a trustworthy clothing store or just another online brand with polished marketing? Before you spend your money, here's what the research reveals. Murray and Hayes presents itself as a premium fashion retailer offering stylish clothing at attractive prices, with a clean website and professional branding that can easily create a positive first impression. However, looking beyond the marketing tells a more balanced story. Customer feedback across different platforms shows mixed experiences rather than a clear success or failure. Some buyers report receiving clothing that matched the advertised style and were satisfied with the overall appearance and fit. On the other hand, several customers mentioned that the fabric quality did not meet their expectations, saying the items felt less premium than the product photos suggested. Delivery times also appear to be inconsistent, with some orders arriving within the expected timeframe while others experienced noticeable delays. Another common concern involves the return and refund process, as a number of shoppers claimed that getting a refund or exchanging an item took longer than expected or required multiple conversations with customer support. At the same time, there are customers who say their issues were eventually resolved, although not always quickly. Based on all the available information, there is no strong evidence suggesting that Murray and Hayes is an outright scam, but there are enough complaints to justify being cautious before placing an order. If you decide to buy, it's a good idea to carefully review the sizing information, read the return policy in full, and consider paying with a payment method that offers buyer protection. Overall, Murray and Hayes appears to be a legitimate online clothing store with a mixed reputation rather than a guaranteed disappointment or a highly trusted retailer. The final decision depends on your expectations and your comfort level with the potential risks. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your own experience with Murray and Hayes in the comments to help other shoppers make a more informed decision.